Hello, Moonbow kids! Today, Moonbow Brother and Rainbow Sister are exploring a magical forest where animals glow with enchanting light. Let's follow their shimmering adventure. While playing near the edge of their village, Moonbow Brother and Rainbow Sister received a glowing letter from the Forest of Luminous Animals. The letter invited them to a special event where the animals' lights would shine brighter than ever. They entered the forest, greeted by trees that shimmered with soft light and animals that glowed in vibrant hues. They met Lumina, the forest's guardian deer, who explained that the forest's magic was fading. Lumina revealed that the forest's magical lanterns, which kept the animals glowing, had lost their light. Without them, the animals would no longer shine brightly. Moonbow Brother and Rainbow Sister embarked on a thrilling quest to find the missing lanterns. They ventured through sparkling meadows and luminescent groves, guided by the soft light of fireflies and the gentle glow of glowing mushrooms. In a hidden grove, they discovered the lanterns, misplaced during a magical storm. With excitement, they returned the lanterns to their rightful places, and the forest burst into a dazzling display of light. The animals' lights shone brighter than ever, and a grand celebration began. Moonbow Brother and Rainbow Sister danced joyfully with the luminous creatures, celebrating the return of the forest's magic. Moonbow Brother and Rainbow Sister learned that helping others can bring light and joy into our lives. Thanks for joining us in the Forest of Luminous Animals, Moonbow kids. Keep shining and spreading kindness. See you next time.